U.S. leaders want to improve our birth rates. Mr. Trump did it by executive order. Mr. Vance clearly wants more babies. Elon Musk is losing sleep because our population is in an annual decline. Part of the reason may be that under 4% of U.S. women have IVF each year. Over 10 million women without IVF are left with no option to conceive the child of their dreams naturally. The ones who refused IVF told us that their top concerns are high cost, low success rates, the need to repeat, and that IVF just feels unnatural. They don't want to inject drugs. They don't want to have surgery. They don't want to harm their embryos, and often they just can't handle the high costs. Many women want a therapy that helps couples conceive naturally, as God intended. Over the last 3 decades, my wife and I developed a hands on physical therapy shown safe and effective in top medical journals. IVF tries to control most aspects of conception. We work to slowly decrease adhesions, glue like bonds we find in most infertile women, so their bodies can function as designed and without pain. Surprised when we started clearing blocked fallopian tubes, our hospital chief of staff created a respected research team to document our results. The researchers found we opened blocked fallopian tubes in close to 70% of women with no prior tubal surgery. Roughly 40% of women with endo or refused IVF due to hormones or age actually conceived after our therapy. We've had well over 1,000 births in women diagnosed infertile by their doctors from various causes. Costs are a fraction of those shown in the executive order. A typical clear passage patient with blocked fallopian tubes was refused IVF due to her age, hormones, and complexity. This woman conceived these three gorgeous children naturally after just one round of our specialized therapy. Please spread the word about this unique, all natural option. Help fulfill dreams for over 10 million women praying for a natural cure. To learn more, contact me. Thank you.